Hey boys, we're going bass fishing today at my grandma's pond, and there's pretty good fish there. I'm excited to go. And by the way, sorry for the background noise, but I don't only fish, by the way. That's why my channel is Phillips Outdoors. So I'm gonna go turkey hunting in like a week with my grandpa. So that's like not the only thing we do on this channel is just fish. We hunt too. So yeah, see you guys when we get there. So boys, I just got my ride. We're getting in the car and I'll be shooting my footage today on my GoPro. Be pretty nice. So yeah, I'm ready to go. All right. So I'm gonna give you a little. We got.
I don't want to smell it.
No, I'm not gonna. It's crappie power bites, worms, and some sunbursts. Yep. They're right color, and we're ready to go fishing now. Right here, boys. We're at the pond. Here's the pond. My grandma and grandpa. This looks like it's getting pretty good right now. He's built a dock on it and stuff. So that was pretty good. Alright, so see you guys on the GoPro on the first cast. Alright guys, I'm using a little swim bait right now, as you can see. It looks like a perch. I'm gonna put one of these stink things on. Just smell that rotten, because this doesn't smell rotten. It smells like rubber. There's nothing on it. It smells like rotten. Alright boys, your first cast. 5-pounder. Oh my gosh, you get a bite right there in the ear. I think it's a small bass. Oh, this is thick. Should just reel that one in and just. It's a small bass, but that thing hit hard, so I thought it was a bigger one. That is a little bass, dude. I remember him. Mr. Breeden. Let's get one of those pink things back on so it smells rotten. So I'll get another video next time. fish just followed that one in. Yep, I got one little guy. Bait. No. Swim bait. Come on. Whoa, do you see that? Big fish. Just huge fish just jumped up in the air. I mean, the big fish. Oh, nice. Fucking got one, finally. Yes. Oh, he came off, thank you. Teeny. Tiny. A couple cast out and a got. Got a situation. We got a freaking snapping turtle on the line, and I really want to shoot him in the face because I hate him. Grandpa! Grandpa! I got a snapping turtle. No? Yeah, I have it. Yeah, I have a snapping turtle. Yeah, I need help. It's big. Boys, look at this fucker. Dude, look how big. Ready? It's coming up. Boys, look at that guy. Oh my god. Dude, this is the guy. Like, can I shoot him? Is it legal to shoot him? Dude. It was a snag. And then I felt the idiot move. He's like, is this a big bass? It can't be. I thought it was a grass carp. No. I pull it up. I see a goddamn turtle head. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking head down there. Piece of shit. Bathroom up there. He caught a fish. I caught it for him. I don't know. Ow, you punk. He choked it to death. Fish. Surgery. Okay. You're saved, bud. Now be free. Cast out. Program program. In the same spot. Come on, dude. Are you a lefty? Lefty pull. Alright, deep out there or deep out here? Perfect. With the line. Mm-hmm. Is that good? Yeah. Yeah. Let's just follow that one in. Yep, I got one little guy. Wait. No. Swim bait. It's a small bass, but that thing hit hard, so I thought it was a bigger one. That is a little bass, dude. I remember him. Mr. Breeder. Alright, boys. I'd say it's a pretty good day of fishing. There. I'm back home. Let's see the next one. What?
I can't sleep 'cause I hear voices telling me